Good morning all. Today we are discussing about what is cryptography. Cryptography is the and also we have yesterday we are discussing about what is digital signature certificate and pros and cons of digital signature. Uh, Now we are discussing what is cryptography, history of cryptography, types of cryptography, and how cryptography works, and application and future of cryptography. What is cryptography? Cryptography is the techniques and study the communications for secure the data and it's secure means protecting the data confidentiality and integrity authenticity of the secured techniques uh, under the cryptography history is first ancient times, World War, modern era, and today. The ancient times is the fixed numbers, and then to improve in World War time, we are using the Enigma machines, and also we are developing the modern era. In modern era, using the two algorithms. One is Diffie-Hellman, another one is RSA algorithm. Now we are using the quantum computing threads. Quantum computing threads is the constant. And the types of cryptography is three types of cryptography. One is symmetry encryption, another one is asymmetric encryption, and finally hash function. Uh, the symmetric key encryption is using the same key for encrypting and decrypting process. Uh, Encrypting the data like the plain text, encrypting into the ciphertext, then finally decrypting the plain text. In this symmetric key, we having the encrypting decrypting process. So you are using the same key. Secret. It's called as the secret key. The symmetric key example is AES. The symmetric key size is 128 to 256 bit keys. It's a fast and efficient. So fast and efficient means so speed to encrypting and decrypting process. The cons is the key distribution challenge is the main disadvantages in the symmetric key process. The next one is asymmetric key. Asymmetric key using the same process encrypting the data, then finally the plain text it encrypted to the ciphertext, the ciphertext decrypting to the original message. In this time we are using the two different keys. One is public key, another one is private key. In the time the encryption using the public key and the decryption using the private key. So the asymmetric best example is RSA. It's based on the prime factorization hardness. So the we are using the prime factorization means it's so secured for key exchanges like original text are encrypting to the encrypted messages, then the encrypted messages are decryption to the original messages. So we have to very secured process. The cons of is the slow computations. Then hash function. Hash function is the one-way functions for data integrity. One-way function means the plain text to the hash function SHA2, then to the hash functions. The cryptography works are the first the original messages are encryptions, and the original message are encryption to the ciphertext, finally the ciphertext decrypting to the original messages. This is the cryptography working process. The application of the cryptography is here cryptography applicable for the two criteria or two areas, one for remote sensing, another for corporate world. In corporate world, using the secure web processing, aerospace networking, internet communication, and military communication. In remote sensing areas, product stored files, telemedicine, multimedia systems, and secure personal photos and videos. And also we are using in cryptography. It's very secured process for the data's storing in the social media platforms. So thank you for this opportunity.